What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a project that's shaking up the world of decentralized finance. We're talking about the decentralized perpetuals revolution, and one name is leading the charge: Hyperliquid. So, what exactly is Hyperliquid? Imagine taking the speed and efficiency of a top-tier centralized exchange, but making it completely decentralized, transparent, and giving you full control of your funds. That's Hyperliquid in a nutshell. It's a high-performance decentralized exchange built specifically for perpetual futures trading. Unlike traditional exchanges where you're trusting a central company with your assets, Hyperliquid puts you in the driver's seat. No more frozen accounts, no more surprise maintenance, just pure, unadulterated trading power right from your own wallet. It's aiming to solve the classic crypto trilemma: speed, security, and decentralization. And from what we've seen, it's making some serious waves. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many traders are calling this the future of DeFi. So, what's the secret sauce behind Hyperliquid's incredible performance? It all starts with its foundation. Unlike many decentralized exchanges that build on existing networks like Ethereum and struggle with congestion and high fees, Hyperliquid built its very own Layer 1 blockchain. This custom-built chain, called the Hyper EVM, is engineered for one thing and one thing only: high-speed trading. We're talking about the ability to process over 20,000 orders per second. That's not just fast for a DEX. That's competitive with the biggest centralized exchanges in the world. This speed allows for something truly special in the DeFi space: a fully on-chain order book. This means every single bid and ask is recorded transparently on the blockchain, providing a level of fairness and security that's simply unmatched. You can see the entire market depth in real time. And because they control their own blockchain, the transaction fees are incredibly low, often just a fraction of a cent. When you combine this with a clean, intuitive trading interface that feels familiar to anyone who's used a professional trading platform, you get a user experience that is seamless, powerful, and built for serious traders. Now, let's talk about the fuel that powers this entire ecosystem: the HYPE token. The HYPE token isn't just a speculative asset. It's an integral part of the Hyperliquid platform with real utility. First and foremost, HYPE is a governance token. This means that by holding HYPE, you get a say in the future direction of the protocol. You can vote on proposals for new features, fee changes, and other important decisions. This is decentralization in action, putting the power back into the hands of the community. But it doesn't stop there. You can also stake your HYPE tokens. By staking, you not only help secure the network, but you also earn a share of the protocol's revenue. This creates a direct incentive for users to participate and support the ecosystem's long-term health. On top of that, holding HYPE can also grant you fee discounts, making trading on the platform even more cost-effective. Looking at the tokenomics, the total supply is capped, which creates a deflationary pressure as the platform grows. The distribution has been carefully planned to reward early adopters and contributors, while ensuring a healthy allocation for future ecosystem development. This thoughtful design makes HYPE a crucial component of Hyperliquid's value proposition. All right, let's get into what many of you have been waiting for: the price analysis and future predictions for the HYPE token. Disclaimer first: this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Looking at the historical performance, HYPE has shown impressive strength since its launch. After an initial period of price discovery, we saw a strong uptrend, establishing key support levels that have held firm during market-wide corrections. This resilience is a positive sign, indicating strong conviction from its holders. Currently, we're seeing the price consolidate in a range, building a solid base for its next potential move upwards. A key resistance level to watch is at its previous all-time high. A decisive breakout above this level, especially with strong volume, could trigger a significant new rally. Using Fibonacci extension tools based on previous impulse waves, we can start to map out some potential future price targets. Now, let's look ahead. What could HYPE be worth in 2025 and beyond? Assuming continued growth in the decentralized derivatives market and Hyperliquid capturing a significant share of that market, our models show some very bullish scenarios. For 2025, with increased adoption and the next crypto bull cycle in full swing, a price target of 2 to 3 times its current value seems conservative. Looking further out towards 2030, the potential is even greater. As DeFi matures and decentralized perpetuals become the standard, platforms like Hyperliquid could see their valuation soar. If it becomes a top 3 player in the space, we could be looking at growth of 10 to 20 times from today's levels. Of course, these are just projections based on current data and market trends, but the fundamental strength of the project provides a solid foundation for this optimistic outlook. Now, it's crucial to have a balanced view, so let's discuss the potential risks. No investment is without risk, and it's important to be aware of the challenges Hyperliquid might face. The biggest one is competition. The decentralized exchange space is incredibly crowded, with new projects popping up all the time. Established players like DYDX and new well-funded competitors will all be vying for market share, so Hyperliquid will need to continue innovating to stay ahead. Another significant risk is the ever-present threat of regulation. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies, especially derivatives, is still uncertain in many parts of the world. A sudden crackdown or unfavorable new laws could create headwinds for the entire sector, including Hyperliquid. There are also technical risks. While their custom Layer 1 is a major advantage, it also means they are responsible for their own security. Any bug or exploit could be catastrophic, so continuous security audits and a vigilant development team are absolutely essential. Despite these risks, the long-term potential for Hyperliquid is undeniable. It has the technology, the team, and the vision to become a dominant force in the future of finance. By offering a truly decentralized, high-performance alternative to centralized exchanges, it's not just building another trading platform. It's building a core piece of infrastructure for the next generation of DeFi. Its position as a first mover with a dedicated Layer 1 gives it a significant competitive edge. So, to wrap things up, Hyperliquid presents a compelling case as a leader in the decentralized perpetual space. Its proprietary Layer 1 blockchain provides the speed and low fees necessary to compete with centralized giants, while its on-chain order book offers unparalleled transparency and security. The HYPE token is thoughtfully designed with real utility, aligning the interests of traders, stakers, and the protocol itself. While risks like competition and regulation certainly exist, the potential upside is enormous. We're witnessing a fundamental shift in how financial markets operate, moving towards a more open, fair, and decentralized future. Hyperliquid isn't just participating in this shift, it's actively driving it. For traders looking for a high-performance platform without compromising on self-custody, and for investors seeking exposure to the next wave of DeFi innovation, Hyperliquid is a project that absolutely deserves your attention. The journey is just beginning, and it's going to be exciting to watch how it unfolds. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts on Hyperliquid in the comments below. Until next time, trade safe and see you in the next video.